Before we get started, there's a special discount link for the Exodus effect system in the description of this video. In ancient biblical times, those in the Bible used to live incredible ages. Methuselah almost lived to be more than 1,000 years old. But the days of ancient ages while having wise minds are over. Today, most humans live to just a bit over 75. We are even amazed if a human reaches 100 years old. But what if we could return to the days of extended ages? What if we have an ancient oil that was written about in the Bible? It could heal our ailments, extend our life, improve our general health and well-being, and bring us closer to God? This just might be what the Exodus effect is trying to do for humanity. Even after the days of the Great Flood in Genesis, people still lived to be around 120 years old but with bright, active minds and healthy bodies and joints. What if we could guarantee degenerative diseases in the body and the brain won't affect us, and we'll have bright minds and active bodies until our very last days? All of this could be possible with the Exodus effect. What is the Exodus effect system? The Exodus effect is a system designed to alleviate a lot of ailments and pains many people have and help them live a healthier, more energetic, and overall better life. This system was created by Pastor Andrew, who studied the Bible for many years and learned of some important translation issues that were keeping this oil from being discovered. What comes in the Exodus effect system? The Exodus effect has a PDF that has a program on how to improve your health with good lifestyle choices along with the anointing oil. Along with the main program, customers will also receive 3 different bonus programs on how to use the anointed oil in different ways other than your own health. The 3 bonus programs are Healing Prayers, which is a prayer book that contains 33 prayers to help you pray for what you need most. The second bonus guide is the Lazarus Effect, which teaches customers to use the oil and prolong their lifespans by 15 years. The third program you'll receive is the Divine Pet. This program shows you how to use the oil to improve the health and lives of your animals. What is the oil designed to do? The anointing oil comes in the program. This is the substance that will change your life. You won't have to rely on any illegal drugs because cannabis does not contain the compound THC, which is found in marijuana. THC is the drug compound that gets you high when you smoke marijuana. But cannabis does not have THC. The cannabis compounds in the anointing oil relieve you of the inflammation in your body, so your body feels less pain, feels lighter, and you'll stay awake longer. Who should use this? The oil that comes in the Exodus effect system helps prevent and cure so many different types of aches and ailments that you'll be hard-pressed to find someone that doesn't benefit. If you have arthritis, back pain, eye pain, migraines, and headaches, or if you suffer from rheumatoid arthritis, bad knees, and any other disease that you must suffer with and there is no cure, then you should try using the Exodus effect oil. What do customers say about it? Customers who use the Exodus effect report that they start to immediately feel better. Their aches and pains in their bodies subside, and their energy is no longer devoted to surviving the day. Now they can work more on their hobbies and use more energy without tiring out in the middle of the day. People who have general bodily pain say that their pain goes away, and they don't have to rely on their pain medication, which is extremely addictive and terrible for your kidneys. Conclusion. Perhaps one day, when the world finally finds peace and science is embraced in order to make lives easier and more prosperous towards all humans on earth, will we be able to return to biblical ages and live for great periods of time. But at least for now, the Exodus effect can improve the years that you live here on earth by taking away your pains and improving your health in general. The secrets of the Bible have long been misunderstood because of many translation errors. But now we know the truth, and we should use this truth to help everyone in need. It's the Christian way. The Exodus effect system, download now, and strengthen your health. Just click on the link below.